in the Bronx. Anyway, must be Subway Series. I'm gonna bring you some footage from the $1 billion stadium. Hopefully it's a decent video. I'll get some footage for you guys. How we do? 5 awesome drunks for the win. Here we go. This is to commemorate me calling a fucking home run. Oh, look at that rip. God damn. That was his pitch. He's sitting down right now. God damn. Fucking Jabba. The only reason I like Jabba is because he's like me, an alcoholic. Well, the Yankees are fucking winning, goddamn, man. 7-6. It's a 7th inning stretch. I'm in the fucking bag. I had way too much to fucking drink. Anyway, more footage, goddamn it. I am blasted out of my fucking ass. It's about the 7th inning. We're losing 7-6. It's a great fucking game, as you can hear, and it looks like fucking Mets have runners on base and they didn't do a goddamn thing. Fuck! 7-7. Crosstown rivals trying to fucking decide this shit on the field. I respect the Yankees, but I'm a fan. I love A-Rod.
Mr. Clutch.
He is the best clutch player that I've seen opposing the Mets.
He had a home run when it's 11-3. A-Rod, don't let me down.
A-Rod, I think he's playing the Red Sox fresh now. What the fuck was that? That looked like a fucking strikeout. What? Why is it the dumb motherfuckers don't know how to play the stadium? What the fuck? 8 goddamn 7. Everybody go the fuck home. Let's convert this into Shea Stadium because everybody's here. Yeah, usher your ass out of here. Watch this. 2-2. 1 out in the 9th inning. Bottom of the 9th. K-Rod is up. And K-Rod sets up. Delivers. Sit him down. About 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock. We lost on a fucking error at that, but it is what it is. So anyway, you guys know the deal. Be good, be safe. I'll catch y'all soon.